Hi guys, welcome to a new series of psychiatry revision, right? So in this I will include the most important topics related to psychiatry and the topics that is very important from your exam point of view, right? Okay. So in this slide I will discuss about different scientists and their contributions in this subject, right? So one second. Yes, first of them is your Erik Erikson, right? As you can see, his role was he gave us the psychosocial development theory and also the 8 stages of life cycle. Very important, right? So Erik Erikson, 8 stages of life cycle and psychosocial development theory. Hacker gave us hebephrenic schizophrenia. Jean Piaget, cognitive development, right? Then Kraepelin gave us dementia precox. Carl gave us catatonia and cyclothymia concept. Kubler-Ross gave us 5 stages of grief, right? That we can remember as DAPTA. Denial, angry, bargaining, right? And agreeableness, right? This D I forgot. I will mention it in another slide, right? Denial, angry, bargaining, right? And this A for agreeableness, right? Okay. Maxwell Jones gave us therapeutic community. Johann Rails is the father of psychiatry because he coined the term psychiatry. Walter Cooper Dendy coined the term psychotherapia, now known as psychotherapy. Sigmund Freud gave us psychoanalysis, then psychodynamic therapy. Then he gave the concept of Oedipus complex, right? Oedipus is the feeling of son towards mom, right? So this is your Oedipus complex. And Electra complex. Electra is the feeling of daughter towards father, right? And penis envy, id, ego, superego, and free association. Id, ego, and superego we will see in another session, right? So Walter Cooper Dendy, he coined the term psychotherapy as well, right? Okay, this mentioned. So Erik Erikson gave us 8 stages of the life cycle plus psychosocial development theory. Hacker gave us hebephrenic schizophrenia. Jean Piaget gave us cognitive development. Carl gave us catatonia and cyclothymia. Catatonia was previously a type of schizophrenia, right? So we will discuss that. Kraepelin gave us dementia precox. Kubler-Ross gave us 5 stages of grief. Maxwell Jones gave us therapeutic community. Johann Rail gave us psychiatry. Termed psychiatry is known as the father of psychiatry. Walter Cooper Dendy termed psychotherapy. Sigmund Freud gave us psychoanalysis, psychodynamic therapy, Oedipus and Electra complex, penis envy, id, ego, superego, right? So few other scientists I will like to mention here. Yes, first is your Adler Alfred. So Adler Alfred termed inferiority complex, right? He coined inferiority complex. So Adler Alfred coined inferiority complex, right? Next is your Binet Alfred. Now Binet Alfred gave us formal scale of intelligence. Formal scale of intelligence. Binet Alfred. Then Etiebach actually full name is Aaron Beck. So Aaron Beck gave us cognitive theory, the famous cognitive theory for borderline personality disorder. short form is CBT. Cognitive theory, actually it is cognitive behavioral therapy, right? We will discuss in our next session. So Aaron Beck gave us cognitive theory for this one, borderline personality disorder. Then Eugene Bleuler coined schizophrenia, right? Eugene Bleuler coined schizophrenia. Then Alexander Franz is the father of psychosomatic medicine, right? Psychosomatic medicine. Then Carl Jung, already mentioned, father of analytical psychology, right? Then Ivan Pavlov, very important, Ivan Pavlov, he gave us the idea of classical conditioning. It is the concept of giving a stimuli and getting a response, right? Conditioned stimuli for an unconditioned response. Anyway, so Ivan Pavlov gave us the concept of classical conditioning. It is also known as Pavlovian conditioning, right? So in this concept, he gave a stimulus repeatedly to generate a response. We will see in our upcoming slides. Then Jean Piaget, he gave us the theory of cognitive development. And already mentioned Johann Riehl, father of psychiatry, as he coined the term psychiatry. So we'll quickly look again at the entire slide. Erik Erikson gave us 8 stages of life cycle and psychosocial development theory. Hacker gave us epiphanic schizophrenia. Jean Piaget, cognitive development. Carl gave us catatonia, cyclothymia, Kraepelin, dementia praecox. Kubler-Ross, 5 stages of grief. Right? Maxwell Jones, therapeutic community. Johann Riehl, he coined psychiatry. Walter Cooper, Dendy termed psychotherapia. Sigmund Freud gave us psychoanalysis, electrocomplex, Oedipus complex, psychodynamic theory. Penicillin B, ego, superego, free association. Okay. Adler Alfred gave us inferiority complex. Binet Alfred gave us formal scale of intelligence. Aaron Beck gave us cognitive theory for bipolar, borderline personality disorder, right? It is borderline personality disorder. Eugene Bleuler termed schizophrenia. Alexander Franz gave us psychosomatic medicine, and Ivan Pavlov gave us classical conditioning, right? So these are your all of the important scientists in one topic and their respective roles in the field of psychiatry, right?